Discover these 7 indispensable strategies to secure employment opportunities in Seville and Andalusia by 2026.
Hello, if you're looking for a job
In Seville,
In yellow letters.
or anywhere in Andalusia, this video is for you.
I am excited to share valuable insights and practical tips derived from my extensive experience of living in Spain. What about strategies? Are they still functioning and operational by the year 2026? When I initially arrived in Spain, I found myself having to begin everything completely from scratch.
Over time, I learned what worked and what didn't.
And exactly what errors should I be cautious to steer clear of completely? So make sure to stick around until the very end because I'll reveal the whole story of how I ended up losing a total of 300 euros. To ensure this unfortunate event never occurs to you, here's the very first tip you should know.
Take advantage of the high season of hospitality and tourism. June, July, and August are very important months in Andalusia. Seville receives thousands of tourists and many companies. They need reinforcements.
Your templates.
Bars, terraces, restaurants,